my latest little gizmo. I sent or between us, deepSkyDad and myself created a little diagram, or he did the diagram, and I just so yeah, that looks about right. So it's just the camera, my 2 to 400mm Tascom lens, 2 lens supports, and the motor. That's the belt there with the pink. And I finally took about an hour to suss it out because I've never seen it before. So there. If I turn it around this way, there it is. So we've got. Hold it steady. So looking at that, there we put it. There's our camera. Support there that fits in the actual. There's like a recessed ring on the lens there for the normal usual clamp that fits on, so you can fit it onto a normal tripod, but we're using this. So that's got that in there. But I measured that for him. That was 74mm. This is 84. This is fitting on the actual sliding collar of the lens. On the front here, which is, it says there, this is the focusing ring. So there's a special tooth adapter ring that fits over there, that's screwed there and there, 2 places. And then the motor all comes in there, and one of these rails that you can clamp things on, clamp the units on. Very clever. And the way we've done it, or the way it works, this is a 400mm lens. Just so happens that my one bad calculation was this is slightly too short. Slightly too short. Don't know how I managed that, because in order to have a bit more space. So now to change the focal length, I can just slide this in and out and lock it off if I want to. But I've slightly underestimated the length of the recessed bar here, the rail, call it what you like. So now I can only get to a 360mm length instead of 400. But 400, I'm not fussed about that. That's the same. Mostly it'd be a bit lower speed, focal length. And on here is a separate ring that DeepSky Pavle, his name is, that deepSkyDad supplied, which is, I can put my guide scope or focus, what do you call it, spotting scope, guide scope in here. So I've got a little mini guider, M-Gen from that little firm in Norfolk, that'll fit just job on there. And then at some point, you've got these, I've got some extra pieces to put under the rail with some bolts, some serious bolts, that are then fit onto a normal dovetail. Happy? Yeah, I think I am actually. Pretty good, all right. I've tried it, it works. Sound effects are free. So now I can sit in the Astro cabin, all connected. It's a USB connection there, power there, and a do sensor on there. How cool was that? With my little Canon. It's so long since I used it, I forgot 750D. Well, it's DA because it's been modified for Astro work. Bring it on.